Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 11. Nice job yesterday on marking the video being turned in. So after you watch this morning video, make sure you click the turned in button so I know who's watched it. Okay, for math, you're going to start today with some fractions. You're going to have an interactive worksheet that looks like this. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take and find the equivalent fractions, stretch that across. By the way, that is not correct. Then you're going to watch the video on adding fractions with common denominators. You're going to draw an equation or picture to solve 5/8 plus 5/8. Simplify if needed, so if it's an improper fraction, change it to a mixed number. Got a story problem here that you're going to solve. An equation where you're solving a mixed number, so 8 3/4 plus 8 2/4. Go ahead and solve that, simplify. And then you have a little matching where you're moving the improper and mixed numbers and proper fractions to the correct spot. So if I feel like this one is a mixed number, I'd click here and it would move it to that spot. Okay? You're going to also continue to work on your reading. We'll have our book discussion at 10 a.m. I'm going to start a new discussion today, which will be a math discussion. That will be at 11 a.m. So please join us if you have any questions on math, or if you'd just like to get a refresher. It's going to be a review on fractions. We're going to talk about fractions on a number line, adding, subtracting, and changing improper fractions to mixed numbers back to improper fractions. Okay? Reading, continue with the Titanic project. Make sure that you complete the Raz Kids assignment, do the questions, read the book, make sure to get all that marked off, and then go ahead and start doing your writing. Yesterday I added down here typing club to help you get a little faster at typing, to make some of the stuff easier. And don't forget, we still have our virtual tours, some zoo cams, things like that. Okay? All right. As always, if you have questions, please send me a message, open a chat, and I'd be happy to video conference with you also. Okay? Have a great day.